4 or 50 in the morning, and some ridiculously heavy rain coming in from the remnants of Tropical Storm Erin. There's an interesting shot. I think we got 20 inches of rain. Holy shit, cart! Got a cart! Where the hell's it going? Alright, just got a cart. You see, we have some pretty good flooding here. This is exiting Walmart. We got a river rolling down the street. Hard to stay even on the road. In fact, the power just went out. Power just went out. Hit it! Do it! Do it! Yeah! And there he goes. Good job. That's about it. 7.5. This guy... I don't know about that one. That could be like a 9. 12th and Warren, flooded.